Okay, what we have here is a TBP trail door with a stainless door hinge. If you are running these stainless door hinges or any door hinge, you will need to drill the threaded holes out of this plate so that your bolt, it's a 5/16 by 3/4 inch long coarse thread bolt, and it can be stainless or standard. You'll want to drill those out so that your bolt will pass through and into the threaded plate that's on the trail door. Once you install all three, you could probably use a lock washer or some blue Loctite. I like to just run them straight in with some Loctite. That way this bolt head is as close to this plate as possible so that it gives you plenty of clearance between the two plates when they close each other. It'll basically look like that. It'll have a little bit of thread sticking out the backside. Okay, what we have here is a TBP trail door hardware bag. It comes with a ramp plate for your latch and a backer, and then it comes with two stainless mounting screws. This takes place of your factory striker. You'll remove the factory striker, install your mounting screws through your ramp plate and your backer, and reinstall. Leave it a little loose because once you get your trail door mounted, you'll want to have some adjustability to align your striker pin from your slam latch so that it aligns properly. Okay, we have a completely installed trail door, TBP trail door. We've mounted the front stainless hinges to the door and to the door pillar. And we've also installed the rear ramp striker plate with the backer and have adjusted it. So in theory, when everything's all adjusted properly, you slam the door and it locks, lining up with your hole that's drilled in your ramp plate. And that's a complete installation of a TBP trail door.